Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys, hi to all our friends from Italy together, and look guys where we are today, visiting the amazing park, archaeological park of Paestum. So beautiful, so big and so well preserved. Look here guys, it's about 30 hectares of archaeological park, very beautiful, where you can come, walk and spend the whole day and you will really enjoy it. Look here guys, the temples are still in perfect conditions, so you can walk around. When you come here, the best is to have a tour guide that will explain you all the site during the different period of the construction, because as you can see it's very huge. So best it's to come here, spend some time and really understand this beautiful place that is just half an hour from Salerno and 1 hour more or less from Naples, but very beautiful. Che bello. So let's walk around all together and enjoy this amazing place. It's more than 2000 years. This site was built first by a population coming from Calabria, from the town of Sibari. They were from Greek origin, and then after the Greeks there were the Romans that gave the name Paestum. And look here what they have, what we have today. It's an UNESCO site, as you can imagine, because this is a beautiful place for all people to come here and visit. The ticket is 15 euro and the tour with a guide will be 130 euro. We'll explain you everything inside the park, the archaeological park, and then in the museum. So here we are now inside the archaeological site of Paestum. We already bought the ticket, enter, and we also have a tour guide for 130 euro. They will explain you how the archaeological site of Paestum is, because it's very big. So when you come, it's better to have a tour guide that will explain you all the things inside the archaeological site, and as well the museum after the site. You can go there and visit.
Sí, por eso, ya es que no nos daba.
Aspetta, ma te la faccio vedere. Ma te la faccio prendere da... No, fai una cosa,
Giancarlo, ciao, guarda, io sono appena rimasta negli scavi di Paestum. Sì, un po' troppo lento. Sì, tutto bene, siamo appena entrati dentro il tempio io.
Wow, amazing guys. Now we are inside the Nettuno temple, tempio di Nettuno. Wow, amazing. Guys, really beautiful. So we are keep walking around, and here you can still appreciate the dimension, the size of Paestum. So here was the forum where all the exchanging, all the sales and the negotiations were having place.
Voglio ritornare perché a Pompei hanno ritrovato altre cose e quando andammo noi era chiusa perché stavano facendo dei lavori la casa dove sta il rospo pompeiano.
Io la ci voglio andare. Ti ho detto, sicuramente ero piccola, cioè per evitare. Però ho la sensazione che sia stato nel senso vedere le foto e quindi alla socio
Belle le strade.
Sì. La strada, che è successo? Quando hanno fatto la strada hanno tagliato un pezzo del foro. Quindi che cosa ci dovevano essere? Sicuramente il negozio del sostituto poteva essere 12 cellulari.
Inside the Comitium. So Comitium was the place where politicians were coming to tell all the people their ideas and to get popular.
Con le spade, le lance,
And here we are now inside the amphitheater. So this was like a small colosseum where we're having the fights and the competitions. Look here, a small one but with the same shape, round one. So all the people were standing over here, and in the center there was the fight. And so guys, this was the last temple. It's the Tempio di Atena, so the Temple of Athena. It was the last one built over here on the archaeological park, that it's very nice, preserved as well. Look here, bellissimo guys. So all this is the archaeological park of Paestum, very big. In total it's 120 hectares, but they think it's much bigger. There are still area of the park that it's still under the ground, so they imagine that the site can be much bigger. Bellissimo. So I hope you enjoyed the video guys, grazie mille, thank you and ciao ciao.